Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix filters options not showing on WhatsApp video call. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the settings of your mobile device and scroll down until you find Apps tab. Once find it, click on it and all of your apps will be displayed on your screen. Here, look for the WhatsApp app and click on it to open the WhatsApp info page. Here, go to Permissions tab and make sure you have allowed all of the permissions to the WhatsApp app. Once done, go back and then tap on the Storage tab. Here, click on the Clear Cache button as sometime clearing cache fixes the buggy issue. Lastly, go to your home screen and open the Play Store on your device. Here, go to Search bar and search for WhatsApp and make sure it is updated to latest version available. Once you do that, your problem will be fixed. So that's basically how you can fix filters option not showing on WhatsApp video call. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.